Now, in our first lesson, we looked at how to represent inequalities on a number line. Now, we want to look at how to solve linear inequalities. For example, number 1 is x plus 3 is less than 8. So we take 3 the other side so that we have x is less than 8 minus 3, and therefore x is less than 5. So that one has been solved. In number 2, we have 2x plus 3 is less than or equal to 5. So we take 3 the other side so that we have 2x is less than or equal to 5 minus 3, and therefore 2x is less than 2 and x will be less than 1. So what we need to note here is that solving inequalities takes the same format of solving linear quadratic equations. So you treat the equality sign as the equal sign so that you just solve it normally as we normally solve the algebraic equations. Number 3, we have a third x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4. So we take to the other side so that we have a third x is greater than or equal to 4 plus 2, which is 6. So you multiply both sides by 3, and therefore x is greater than or equal to 18. So we can be asked to represent this on a number line as well. If you're asked to represent the solution on a number line, then you can now represent the solution on a number line. So this one we have 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is 4, that is 3. So when x is less than 5, then 5 is not included, so that we can shade this other side. Now that is representing the solution on a number line. If you are asked to represent this solution on a number line, then we have it as x is now less than 1. So we have 0, we have less than 1, this is 1, 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, this one should now be 2, and that is 3. So if x is less than 1, so we cycle 1, and all the values that are on the left hand side of 1 should be shaded. So x will take the values from 0 onwards, because it is equal to, there is equality sign, therefore the circle inside here will be shaded because 1 is also included in that number line. So if we want to represent this on a number line, x is greater than 18, so we have our number line there. We have 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 18 is included, therefore we shade the inner circle to show that 18 is included, and then values that are greater than 18 will be those values. So x will take the values from 18 up to infinity. So that is how we solve simultaneous linear inequalities.